If you've ever changed spark plugs on an MQB, EA888 engine or similar, you know you have to counterhold this stud. It's a very low profile, skinny nut. Awesome set from Olsa Tools. You get a foam organizer with it, and you get all these sizes ranging from 6mm all the way up to 19mm. So all you got to do is get this tool, 10mm, and slip it right in there. That allows you to put your 10mm impact, break that guy free without damaging your ground eyelet. And repeat that process 3 additional more times to get all 4 coil ground wires off. And then that leaves you with the stud. Now you gotta get each one of these guys fully loosened out of there. And you're gonna unplug each and every one of your coil pack connectors. And then that's when this tool comes in handy. A little special tool for removing these types of pencil coils. You screw this guy in there tight. Give her a good yank, and there you go. And basically just reverse of removal for the installation process. Just counterhold your silly little stud / nut and get your ground straps back installed. Thanks, Olsa Tools.